First, you're going to want to remove the safety pin and then remove the hitch pin. Next, insert ball hitch into the receiver tube. Be sure to have the 2 5/16 inch ball facing upwards. Line up the holes and insert the hitch pin. Then lock the pin in with the safety pin on the other side. Make sure that the hitch is secured and the pins are locked in place. Use the trailer jack and spin clockwise to raise the trailer coupler above the height of the ball hitch. Reverse the vehicle back towards the trailer and make sure that the ball hitch is located directly below the trailer coupler. Spin the trailer jack handle counterclockwise to begin lowering the coupler onto the ball hitch. Then pull the pin out of the coupler latch and pull the coupler up to disengage. Continue lowering the coupler until it is sitting on the ball hitch. You're going to lock the coupler latch, take the safety pin out of your pocket and reattach to the latch. Continue spinning the trailer jack counterclockwise until the foot is all the way up from the ground. That height should do. Next, take the chains on the left side of the trailer and attach them to the right side of the ball hitch. Make sure that you go underneath the hitch to attach the chains. Now take the chains on the right side of the trailer and attach them on the left side of the ball hitch. You will want to make sure that the latches on the hooks have gone down and the hooks cannot fall off. Next, take the safety breakaway wire and attach it to the hitch. And also plug in the power plug to the vehicle's trailer receptacle. Remove the wheel chocks from the wheel and use the key to undo the wheel lock. You will have to twist and pull the lock out to disengage it. And then just pull on the one side to remove. To reattach the wheel lock, start with the inside and have it into the wheel well, and then slide over the outside piece until it is tight and clicks. Push the lock down to relock it. Once locked, try to remove and make sure that the wheel lock cannot be removed. Now you would remove the trailer's receptacle from the back of your vehicle, and then you will also remove the safety breakaway wire from the back of the hitch. Now you can remove the chains from your vehicle. Start with one side, and then unclip the other. Take the chains and wrap them around the trailer's arms. You will now remove the safety pin from the trailer latch and disengage the latch. You will now spin the trailer jack clockwise to start lowering the foot and raising the trailer, and you'll do so until the latch is off of the ball hitch. Now re-engage the latch there, put the safety pin back in and make sure it is secure. Next, you will need to remove the safety pin from your hitch pin, remove the hitch pin, and then you can slide out the ball hitch from your receiver tube. Make sure to immediately put the pins back in and to ensure that they do not get lost.